Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Microsoft 365 mailboxes with eDiscovery safeguards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer Microsoft 365 mailboxes with eDiscovery safeguards, start by accessing the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Sign in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Compliance Center from the left-hand menu. Select eDiscovery under the Solutions section. Choose Core on the eDiscovery page to create a new case. Click Create Case and provide a name and description. Define the permissions for the case by assigning members as needed. After saving the case, open it to create a search. Click Create a search within the case. Set the search criteria for the mailboxes you want to transfer. Specify the date range, keywords, or other filters as necessary. Once configured, run the search to ensure the parameters are correct. Review the results of the search to confirm that the relevant mailboxes are included. Next, export the search results for mailbox transfer. Click the Export button and choose the export options that suit your needs. Start the export process and wait for it to complete. Once the export is finished, download the exported data to your local system. Now, proceed to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center again. Select Users from the left sidebar to manage your users. Find and select the user whose mailbox you wish to transfer. Click on Mail Settings for this user. To import the previously exported data, you'll need the user's mailbox to be ready. Ensure that the destination mailbox has the appropriate storage space and is accessible. Use the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center to import the data back into the user's mailbox. Select Import under the Data Lifecycle Management section. Upload the exported file to the designated location for import. Initiate the import process and monitor its status until completion. Once the import is done, verify that the emails have been successfully transferred. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.